A quick setup of Clever Accounting. Setting up Clever Accounting is easy. In this video, we will perform a quick setup in order to prepare the application for use in as short time as possible. Log into Clever Accounting and then click on the Setup tab. The first thing we shall do is to check the fiscal years. Click on Fiscal Years. Make sure that the year that you will start posting in is in the list and that it is not closed. Here we will start posting in the year 2013. The closed column is marked no. Everything is correct. In case you need to add a year, enter the beginning and the end dates here and click Add New. Click on Setup again. Next, click on Company Setup. Fill in all the details of the company. Note that for countries within the European Union, put the company's VAT registration number in the box next to the GST number. Set the fiscal year to the year you want to start posting in our case 2013. At this point, you can upload a logo that will be used on invoices and reports. Click on Update and then Banking and General Ledger. Next, we set up the bank details accounts. Click Bank Accounts, edit the entries and create new ones depending on how many accounts you have. Note that you must have one account in the chart of accounts for each bank account you have. So let's say we have a credit card. We first create a relevant account in the chart of accounts. Click on Banking and General Ledger, then GL Accounts. Note where the current bank accounts are placed and then create new ones with similar settings. Moving back to the bank account settings, enter the settings for the account and click Add New. One cannot sell or buy anything unless there are items registered in the system. For this reason, the next step is to create some items. Go to the tab Items and Inventory and then click Items. There are three types of items that can be entered. These are purchased items, manufactured items, and service items. Note that the first two, purchased and manufactured, affect the stock, while the service item does not. This is important to keep in mind, as items incorrectly typed will affect the profit and loss statement. In fact, all items should be entered as a service unless they describe physical items that will be held in stock to build an inventory of goods. Notice how when the item type is changed to service, the GL accounts shown are only for sales account and the cost of goods sold, abbreviated as COGS account. There are various tabs that can be used to add or review information about each item. However, we are on a quick start quest, and the additional information will be visited again in another video. On completing items entry, we move on to the Sales tab. We have to have a customer registered before we can issue an invoice. Click on Add and Manage Customers. Fill in the details for the customer and click Add New Customer. Click on the Sales tab again and then choose Direct Invoice. The Direct Invoice screen is divided into three parts. The top part is information about the client and invoice metadata, such as date and invoice number. The middle section contains the items being sold or charged for, while the bottom section is about the delivery details. After filling out the invoice, click on Place Invoice. The screen next provides a number of options, including printing and emailing the invoice. As we have set a PDF printer as default, we can print to a PDF document and see the result immediately. This brings us to the conclusion of setting up Clever Accounting. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.